Alright, I'm going to do a quick review of this Logitech M185 wireless mouse. I picked it up on Amazon for $14.49. A link will be in the description. This is my laptop that I travel with. I have a regular mouse here that's wired, but it's giving me some issues and it's a pain in the butt to wind up and put in my backpack, so I picked this guy up. We're going to open it up and see what happens. Little tape right here. Like that. It's cloth actually. Alright, here it is out of the box after all that drama. I can hear it clicking already. So I need to open this cover up, which is easier than that pops off. And then it looks like it already has a battery in there. So we'll pull that tab off. Supposedly this battery is going to last for a year. There's the little USB slot. So the battery's in. Here's the USB port. I think I need to turn it on. Let's unplug the old one. I think this is plug and play. Oh, something went in. And we have nothing. That's the on position right there. So it was already turned on. There we go. So I actually turned it off. So that's it. It's fairly small, which is what I wanted. I mean, it's not huge and it's not tiny. It's right in the middle. Track wheel, like any normal mouse, and then right click and left click. That's it. So 15 bucks, $14.49 plus tax. It's supposed to last on this battery for a year, and it's definitely going to be a lot easier to travel with. Hit the like and subscribe button, please, if this video helped you out.